What you are looking at right now is Centaurus A, a galaxy which is located 13 million light-years from Earth, the most violent galaxy near us. Inside this galaxy, there are over 100 billion stars, with a supermassive black hole at its center and a massive dark dust lane cutting straight through its middle, giving it one of the most distinctive appearances of any galaxy ever discovered. But here is what almost nobody knows. NASA took the light coming from this galaxy and turned it into sound that you can actually hear. And what you are about to hear is the actual sound of a galaxy 13 million light-years away. Turn your volume up.